I got too many hoes, but they ain't you. You like to put that shit in your nose, but I still love you. Be doing shit that nobody knows. In the streets, they be thinking you're a lady for that.
What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Team Stacy, and I'm back with another YouTube video. And if you're new to my channel, hello, and if you're a return subscriber, what's up?
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year.
Alrighty guys, so in today's video I did go ahead and install and style this unit that was sent to me by Arabella Hair. Thank you so much to Arabella Hair for sending me this beautiful unit. If you guys are interested in seeing how I installed this wig, this beautiful blonde, honey blonde wig, definitely keep watching, period. All right, my love, so like I said, today's video is sponsored by Arabella Hair. This is their silk bag. They sent me a wig band, edge brush, some lashes, some wig caps, all that good stuff. So this is the star of today's show. This is their honey blonde curly wig, guys, in 26 inches. Look at this lace. Oh my god, it was so bomb. Okay guys, so this is me about to put this a beautiful star of the show on. So I did go ahead and take my Ruby Kiss foundation in shade 09, and I'm just putting that all over the wig cap, and I put it on my bald cap as well. I didn't show you guys my bald cap because I've done 1,000 of those, so I want to show you guys what it looks like. Very beautiful. I did pluck it off camera. You can't really tell because the hairline's very light, but yes, let's get into it. So first thing you're going to do is clean off your forehead with some 91% alcohol. Then you're going to take some lace glue. My favorite lace glue is the Ghost Bond lace glue. And I'm just going to put a nice thin layer of that on my forehead. Y'all, I be talking in my videos because I'm always getting ready to go somewhere. Like, I was literally getting ready to go out this night. So, yeah, you're going to see me talking and just a whole lot of. Anyways, I'm going to spread this glue into a nice thin layer, a thin, even layer, okay? The reason why your wig is, like, showing, like, white spots and stuff is because the layers are not thin and spread out properly. So definitely work on that, making a nice thin layer, and you can stack the layers. So I'm gonna do 2, but you can do up to like 4 depending on how long you want your wig to be on. So I do have a little big head going on, so I was trying my best to get this wig to lay right in front of my natural hairline, but it just kept like pulling on one side and popping up on the other side. So my homegirl Ellie, shout out to Ellie Melly, she did go ahead and help me with this install today. She had to help me hold it down so the wig wouldn't, like, you know, lift up. So now I'm just blow drying it with my X Professionals blow dryer. She told me, she's like, girl, I'm basically installing the wig for you. But yeah, she just helped me blow dry my hair, and then she's so funny. She's like, okay, I'm a YouTuber now. So this is the band that they gave us. We're gonna go ahead and just put that on my hair just so the wig doesn't pull off. If you have a smaller head than me, then you probably won't need the assistance. But yeah, we left the band on for 10 minutes. This is what the wig is looking like. It's looking so gorgeous, so good. We love it. Now we're gonna go ahead and just cut off the excess lace. So how I'm doing that now, taking a scissor, cutting straight down the middle part, and then now I'm gonna take an eyebrow razor and I'm gonna cut down. I'm gonna literally push the razor down to just kind of chop off the lace that's not being held down by the glue. Hopefully that does make sense. But yeah, and then when we get closer to the ear tabs, I'm gonna go back in with the scissors and cut off my excess ear tabs. So after we cut off the lace, I'm going to take my hot comb and we are just going to smooth this hairline. This wig looks so bomb. You can't even tell from the lace to the hairline because the color is just so gorgeous. Everything looks super duper good. But I'm going to show you guys how to really melt this down. So we're going to part my hair. I decided to do a middle part today. I was feeling a middle part with this wig. It was just giving. I'm going to, you know, press out the middle part so it's nice and flat. Next up, I'm gonna take my She's Bomb wax stick. Now this is a crucial step. You guys see how I hot comb my hair with no product, then I'm gonna go in with the wax stick, and then I'm gonna hot comb it again. I just found that technique really just makes the hair lay down super flat. It makes sure that you have no flyaways, and it gives very much scalp. So definitely try that out and let me know down below if you guys see a difference with that. But that is definitely a tip I want you guys to try out. So I'm just taking my time yet again and hot combing it. So the color of the video is going to change a little bit. I had to get it a little warm in the video now because with the edges, it was kind of hard for you guys to see the edges because I'm very light complected. Is that a word? I'm light skinned, so with the hair being also light, it kind of doesn't show on me. So if you have more of a deeper complexion, this color is going to look so good and you're gonna see the edges, you're gonna see it. But when you're more light, you're not gonna see it as much. But either way, the edges still came out very cute. I literally love this wig. So after I cut my edges at an angle, I'm gonna go ahead and take my 1/2 inch flat iron and I'm gonna curve it inward, and we are just going to, you know, get this girl nice and ready to lay down. So lately I've been laying my edges down with the Even lace spray. I don't know, I just feel like it's been coming out way better instead of me using like the the Ghost Bond glue. Oh my god, got to be y'all. I be mixing them two up every time. But yeah, lately I just been using the Even lace spray, and I just love how it lets my edges be fluffy, but you know, it still lasts the whole night, so I love that. So I did go ahead and define my part with the same foundation, and let me show you guys what the hair is looking like. So the hair is so big. Oh, this hair is so beautiful. I was obsessed. This is the color. Let me show you the length. So I am 5'7", and it comes down to like the top of my butt. So if you're shorter than me, it's gonna be even longer. Guys, this hair was so freaking beautiful. This is what it looks like after it's wet. So you can wear it dry or defined, up to you. Guys, this wig was giving, y'all. I am obsessed, period. Alrighty guys, that is the end of today's video. In today's video, I did go ahead and install this beautiful hair that was sent to me. I love the color and I just love this hair. Let me show you guys the length on me. This hair is just so freaking bomb. It's so long. The curls just came out so beautiful when I added the water and the conditioner. Super obsessed, guys. So if you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, all the information will be down below in the description box with purchasing links, promo codes, and all of that good stuff. Super obsessed with this unit. Just love it. Thank you so much to Arabella Hair for sending me this beautiful wig. I love you guys so freaking much. If you haven't already, definitely subscribe to my channel, join the team, and just do it like Nike. Give this video a big thumbs up if you want to see more content like this and more install tutorials. I love you guys so much, and we'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.